Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're in a little bit of a different location today. I'm not in my studio. Today we are in my living room because we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing today. I asked you guys on Instagram and Twitter the type of videos you guys wanted to see, and a lot of you guys are interested in unboxing videos, so I thought I would do that for you guys today. So I just wanted to say, since makeup is something that I do for a job, I receive a lot of packages on the daily, so in no way am I trying to like brag or anything. This is what I do for a job, and I definitely don't keep it all. I give it away to people who can use it, so just wanted to get that out of the way before we jump into it. So if you guys want to see me unbox a few packages that I have, go ahead and just keep watching. Alright, so the first package we have is from Too Faced. They sent me a super sweet card that says it's the mascara you'll love, like you've never seen it before. We teamed up with some of our favorite social BFFs to launch limited edition versions of your iconic Better Than Sex mascara. Pick your fave or collect them all. XOXO Too Faced. And these are what the mascaras look like. So pretty much they're teaming up with influencers to repackage their Better Than Sex mascara. I'm a pretty big fan of the Better Than Sex mascara. Some people hate it, some people love it. I'm definitely one of the people that actually really enjoys the mascara, so I'm super excited to have these new ones for my collection, and the packaging in them is really cute. I'm gonna open them up and see if the actual bottle is different. Ooh. So these two, they collaborated with Karen and Crispy, which is super cool, and actually the inside of the bottle is decorated as well. I thought it was just the outer packaging, but the inside is decorated as well. Crispy's is more like a celestial theme and Karen's is kind of marbled. I really love that they made the bottles different. I thought that the outer packaging would have just been different and it would have just been the regular pink bottle for the Better Than Sex that we're used to, but I love that they changed up the bottles. That's going to make it super fun for people to collect these or get the one from their favorite influencer, so I'm really excited to have these. I actually really like Crispy's. I think it's super fun, so huge shout out to Too Faced for sending these out. I'm so excited to have these in my collection. Alrighty, so the next package I have is from Sephora inside JCPenney. They sent me some products from their JCPenney gratis program. It says on the little card, enclosed are a few of our favorite beauty products from this month from the top 4 inside JCPenney brands. We hope you'll discover some new favorites. So the first thing in here, it's a little opened, but I'll just open it up since it's already open. This is from the Inky List, which I've heard really great things. I watch Skincare by Hiram and he raves about this brand all the time, so I'm so excited to finally try something from them. This is their retinol, which I actually am not using a retinol at the moment, so this might be one to try. Best for normal skin, reduces wrinkles without irritation, used in the PM only. It looks to be like a little sample size, but I am so excited to finally try out an Inky List product and see if I like this retinol. The next product we have is from a Supergoop, which is another brand that I hear a lot of really good things about. I actually need a new sunscreen right now, and this one is Daily's Dose Vitamin C and SPF. And it's SPF 40, which is really good since I'm super fair. I burn so easily, even though it's winter in Michigan right now. It's really important for me to protect my skin. The bottle just looks like this. The bottle's kind of a funny shape, but it's kind of cute. So I am so excited to try this out again. I think this is like a sample size. It doesn't really specify, but I believe these are all samples of their favorite products. So happy to have this and finally try out Supergoop, which I hear such good things about. The next thing we have is from Laneige. This is their Radiant C Cream. Brighten, even tone, and moisturize. Main features, vitamin C and vitamin E for normal to dry skin, which I definitely have dry skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So on the inside, this is what the product looks like. It feels like a really heavy, high quality packaging, and it comes with a little scooper so you can scoop out the product so you're not getting your fingers in there and contaminating things. So this is really cute. I really don't think I've tried any Laneige products either, so these are all brand new brands that I've never tried before, so I could definitely use some vitamin C in my skincare, so I am really excited to try this out. Those are the 3 gratis items we have from Sephora inside JCPenney, so shout out to them for sending those out, and let's move on to the next. Alright, so the next package we have is from Makeup Geek. They sent me a little bundle of some new products. Kind of looks like a little Valentine's Day gift, which is super cute. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So they have a new mascara. It's called the Extension Effect Mascara for only $12.89, which is a very good price for a more high-end mascara. It's cruelty-free, vegan, 24-hour long wear, and water resistant. I actually need a new mascara to use, so This one might be the one I try. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I'm not gonna open it though, because once you open a mascara, it's like done for. So I'm just gonna show you guys the outside of the bottle. Just a very standard look. That's just a black bottle with Makeup Geek on the side. If you guys want a review of this, let me know. I haven't reviewed a mascara yet, but I'm definitely down to do that if you guys are interested. They also sent the navy gunmetal eyeliner duo for some little pencil eyeliners, and we also got an eyelash curler, which is great. Super cute. I'm excited for them to have a new mascara. I might try this one out. I'm kind of curious now. All right, so the next package we have is from Pixi Beauty. They sent along a little pamphlet about all the products in the package, and next to it they have some stickers, which is so cute. I love when brands include stickers. I just think it's such a fun touch. So it says hashtag Pixi Pretties, and it looks like they collaborated with a bunch of creators to create palettes for, which is super cool. I love the idea. So we have Makeup by Denise. Looks to be a face palette here. I like that they each created different palettes. They're not all just eyeshadow palettes. The next one is from Tina Young. I think this one is an eyeshadow palette, yeah. Then we got Pixi plus Promise. Promise is super creative. This is their transformation palette, so great for illusions and stuff like that. I actually might keep this one. This might be something good to have in my kit for more creative illusion type looks. And lastly, we have Louise Rowe palette, and it looks like it's a lip palette. They also sent along a pop socket and a little ring light that you can clip onto your phone. I love when brands include little fun stuff like this. I just think it feels so much more personal. This little ring light thing is really great when you want to go out and take pictures, which I'm not doing right now, but when I do, definitely will bring this with me. So the next package we have is from Cinema Secrets. I absolutely love their brush cleaner. I always have it on hand to just quickly clean a brush. It smells good too, so I am so excited to see this package. The first thing we have is the Brush and Sponge Cleansing Shampoo. I've never seen this before, but definitely could use it. I need to wash my brushes like immediately, so I will definitely be using this when I do. The next thing we have is the All Natural Brush Soap. I guess maybe when you put water on it, it activates it, so that's always good to have. I am always forever cleaning brushes, so this will definitely not go to waste. Next thing we have is the Pro Blender. I didn't even know they made blenders, so this is kind of cool to have. Last but not least, of course, my favorite, we have the Makeup Brush Cleaner, and it comes in a little spray bottle. The one I have is just a screw-off cap, so this will make it even easier to spot clean my brushes as I need to, so I'm so excited to have this on hand. This is definitely going on top of my desk immediately next to my makeup brushes. So shout out to Cinema Secrets. You guys are awesome. I cannot wait to use the products. All right, so the next one we have is from BH Cosmetics. This is their new travel series. Just fitting since we're all sitting at home. Still fun to dream. Looks like we have two new palettes. There's an eyeshadow palette called the Lost in Los Angeles. That one is $17. And the Appraise and Aspen 6-color highlighter palette, which is also $17. And then there's a brush kit that is $20. So let's look at these. So here's what the palettes look like. I think that the packaging is like so fun on these. It's kind of like a neon sign almost with photos from that place on there. So that's kind of cool. So here's what the highlighter one looks like. These are some really fun colors for highlighters. Usually highlighter palettes, you know, we get the same few colors, but this has like this really unique teal, this hot pink, this kind of bluish purple shade. That's really fun. So this one I definitely think I'm going to keep for more creative looks. I'm always looking for a fun highlighter to pop on top, and this one has some really unique shades that I definitely think I'm going to be using. And then we have the Lost in Los Angeles palette, which has some really gorgeous shades in there, honestly. BH Cosmetics has really been stepping up their game. I think this purple shade here is really fun, this teal, this pink. And I love that it's a Hollywood star on the inside for decoration. So that's really fun. And then as for the brush set, it comes in this like golden hollowy bag. Open it up. You get all of these brushes. They're kind of like a golden color. I'm not going to take them out because I may be giving these to someone and I just want to keep them, you know, in the packaging so it's sanitary. But these are pretty cool. One of my first makeup brush sets was from BH Cosmetics, so it's kind of full circle getting brushes sent to me from them. So shout out to the BH Cosmetics team for sending me their travel series release. I'm really excited about that highlighter palette, I gotta tell you. Alright, so the next package we have is from Dragon Beauty. Now, I think that this is a PR list I think I'm going to have to ask to be taken off of. I was really excited to be a part of it initially, and then I learned some things about Nikita, and then this past weekend she decided to have a birthday party during a worldwide pandemic, which is definitely just like not cool. She sent me her happy birthday collection. I mean, the packaging is like super cute. Everything launched on the 25th. It's now February 4th, so I'm a little late here opening. The outer packaging is really cute. I think that she does really cool things with her branding, but unfortunately, just because she's been so careless with the pandemic, I don't feel comfortable like posting and sharing her to my page. So I'm kind of just disappointed in her overall as a brand owner. I feel like she could have, I don't know, just do better as a human. But yeah, so cute packaging, but I think this is a PR list I'm gonna have to remove myself from because I just don't stand by everything that she's been doing lately, and some stuff that's come up and just not a fan. So moving on, the next package we have is from Milani. It came in a big orange peel looking thing, which is fun. Let's open it up. This is their supercharged collection. The model they used is absolutely so stunning. So this is all new products. So in here it says new wake up call for tired looking skin. Features ingredients such as citrus, ginseng, turmeric extracts, and squalene. For all of you who are into ingredients, we have a brightening prep mask, a dewy primer, some under eye tints, facial mist, cheek and lip multi-sticks. So this sounds really like summery fun products. So this first one is the revitalizing facial mist, kind of like your go-to refreshing spray. Weightless and hydrating, supercharged ingredients, prep and revitalize, so you can't go wrong. It sounds like there's some really great ingredients in here. Again, these brands have been really stepping it up. Milani, like the past year, has been killing it with their launches. This product we have is the brightening prep mask, ginseng and citrus extracts. Gently exfoliates and energizes the skin with supercharged ingredients. That looks like, I love that all these drugstore brands are getting into like the skincare thing that everyone's really into right now, and just over the past year or so. The next thing we have is the dewy primer. Can't go wrong with that. Next we have the supercharged brightening under eye tints. So this is kind of something different that I haven't seen before. So instead of being a concealer, it's like more lightweight, I think. I wonder if it says something about them. This lightly tinted 2-in-1 makeup and skincare formula brightens dark circles, hydrates thanks to hyaluronic acid, plant-based collagen, niacinamines, and caffeine. So all really great ingredients in here. And for one of them, it retails for $9. So the fact it's a skincare product and a beauty product in one, I think is so cool. I think that's what a lot of brands are moving towards, especially as we start getting into a warmer climate. Summer and spring are coming. So these are the shades they sent me. I assume they just sent me 3 based on my skin tone. They sent me the shades 110, 120, and 130. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I love when there's skincare infused with actual makeup products, so I'm definitely gonna have to give this a go. So these are the supercharged cheek and lip multi-stick. So basically you can use it as a tint for your cheeks or your lips. Got 3 shades here. Got Berry Bolt, Rose Recharge, Beach Thrill, and Spice Jolt from left to right. So super pretty shades here. Very suitable for all different skin tones, which is always good. So overall, I think this line is really great, especially launching it right now before we get into spring and summer. I think these type of products are going to be super popular, and this supercharged under eye tint thing, the fact that it's infused with so many great ingredients, I'm really excited to try this out. So huge shout out to Milani for sending me these awesome products. So the last and final package today I have is from Skye, which if you don't know, they're kind of a nail-based brand. So if you guys don't know, I do all my acrylic nails at home. I have a video going up, or maybe it's already up on my channel, of me doing these nails right here that I have on today. And they saw one of my previous nail tutorials I posted, so they reached out and wanted to send me some nail products. So I thought I'd show you what I picked out from their site. The first thing we have is the Skye Jelly Tips Soak Off Kit. This includes no acrylic, but it allows your nails to have that kind of acrylic look, but it's so much easier to apply. I don't know, it's just so much easier than using acrylic, so I was really interested in trying this kit. So if you guys want me to do a review on this or just a video of me trying it out for the first time, I can definitely do that. So it has all these different products in here to create that look of having acrylics without having to do all the work of what acrylics are. So this might be my new favorite thing, because acrylics take forever, and if this can give me the same effect in less time, then I'm sold. The next thing I picked out was some monomer. Now this is what I use to activate my acrylic powders to make them form and turn into the shape of the nail that I want. So I got just a big one of their monomer because I'm always running out, so it's nice to just have more. Next thing I have is some dip powder. This one is in the shade Pure White, and although it is a dip powder, I believe I can use it as just plain acrylic as well. That's what I'm hoping for. So I got a white one, and I got, what is this called? Light pink as well, which I thought was super pretty. And that kit I showed you guys earlier came with a little mini LED light, which is super cute. So if you order the kit for the first time and you don't have an LED light, it has you covered. It allows you to do one nail at a time, and it's kind of cool because you can kind of see what's going on. It's a little more open than what those regular LED lamps are. So I'm kind of excited to have this now. And the next thing I got were some different powders for nails, ones that I can use for when I do acrylic. So the first one I got is Irreplaceable. The next shade I got was Rural Saint Pink. After that we have the shade Iceberg, which is a white, but it has a bunch of shimmer in it, so it'll kind of give more of a glittery effect. And the last dip powder I got is in the shade Blew Me Away, and this one is a glow powder, which means it glows in the dark, which is super fun. I've always wanted to have those nails that glow in the dark, whether it be a polish or something, but the fact this is like an acrylic powder that does that, I am so excited for. So it's kind of just a bluish shade, but I think I'm really excited to use this one. I might have to use this in my next set of nails. Alright guys, and that is everything I have received in PR over the last little while. I tend to open up some things as I get them, but some stuff I just kind of leave in boxes for a ridiculous amount of time, and I'm just so happy I could sit down and open this up with you guys today. So many of you guys really asked for an unboxing video, so I can definitely do more of these in the future if you would like. Huge shout out to all the brands who sent me their products. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and I cannot wait to use some of them in upcoming work. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me out so much, and be sure that you hit that little bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. You can find all my social medias down in the description bar down below, so I can chat with you guys when I'm not here uploading. And that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!